embraced this program with commitment, completing modules, all the activities, reflections and practicals, applications that now position you as champions of play-based learning. Nina senama champions of Funda Udlale Nathi. And you will be the ones that are going to assist us in equipping others with these basic skills that we have achieved in terms of the play-based learning. You have shown passion, resilience, and deep love for the children you serve. With that, we want to say congratulations and thank you for the passion that you are displaying all the time, because your commitment is showing that I want more for my children in my classroom, so that my classroom will be fun, there will be better learning, and our learners will be well equipped with the necessary skills. Thank you for that love that you have displayed. A special appreciation also goes to ECD Center supervisors. I want to believe that we do have our ECD supervisors today as well, because it is important that we acknowledge and appreciate them. If they did not release our practitioners to participate in this program, we wouldn't be celebrating here, we wouldn't be having such a great event, where we wouldn't have even achieved, because we would have not participated and we would have understood that we have capacity to achieve what we have achieved now. So we really want to appreciate that they have released us to participate. They have given us time to also apply the skills that we have learned through the process of learning in the Funda Udlale Nathi program. And we are here because they have made it possible. So they have, we call them enablers of this particular program. So we really appreciate all of them for that.